Hey everyone, are you an introvert looking to improve your social skills? If so, you're in the right place. As an introvert myself, I know how challenging it can be to engage in social situations and make connections with others. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks to help you out. Firstly, let's do a quick quiz. On a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable do you feel in social situations? Comment below and let me know. It's important to understand where you're starting from so you can track your progress as you work on improving your social skills. Now, let's dive into some tips. One of my favorite ways to improve social skills is by practicing active listening. So, let's try it out together. I'm going to share a story with you, and I want you to practice active listening by paying close attention and asking questions to clarify my points. Ready? Here it goes. I'm an introvert, and I once studied abroad in Spain. One day, I was walking through a park and saw a group of locals playing a game I'd never seen before. I asked if I could join, but they hesitated since I didn't speak much Spanish. I was determined to learn, and we played for hours. By the end of it, I had made new friends and learned a new game. It was a great reminder that sometimes the best experiences come from stepping out of your comfort zone and trying something new. Great job! See how easy it is to practice active listening? Not only does it help you to understand the other person better, but it also demonstrates that you're interested in what they have to say. Another tip is to ask open-ended questions. Let's try this one out too. I'm going to ask you an open-ended question and I want you to leave your response in the comments. Here it is. What's your favorite thing to do when you're alone? Get creative and have fun with your response. Joining groups with similar interests is another great way to improve your social skills. So, let's do some brainstorming together. In the comments, share a group or club that you're interested in joining. It could be anything from a book club to a hiking group. This is a great way to find like-minded individuals and build connections. Finally, I recommend reading books about communication and attending workshops or classes to develop your skills further. So, let's share some resources. In the comments, share a book or workshop that you found helpful for improving your social skills. This is a great way to learn from each other and discover new resources. Remember, it's okay to take breaks and recharge when needed. Don't feel like you have to be social all the time. Take care of yourself and practice self-care when needed. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, improving your social skills